What's up, beautiful people? Today I have the Look Fantastic box. I got this a little late, but this is the March box from what they told me. This is the March box. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in, and this is the little booklet that they always have. This is a limited edition box. I don't know what happened because they usually try to send them to me pretty early so I can get the word out for you guys. And this is a PR box. You guys know I like to keep that clear with you guys. I do have affiliate links down below if you guys want to try these out. So let's go ahead and jump in here and show you guys what is happening in this past month. So first thing in here is the Caviar anti-aging foam conditioner. Ooh, well that's different. So this is a self-foaming conditioner. It infuses weightless nourishing moisture. So you're supposed to, I don't know, do you just use this? Oh yeah, you use this as a regular conditioner. So you basically like put the foam in your hair, leave it in your hair like you would a conditioner, and then rinse it out. That is really cool. So I will let you guys know, and this is for thinning hair, and I have pretty thin hair, so we will see if I like this. So definitely a really cool product. Next thing in here, this is the lip and eye cream by the Organic Pharmacy. This is a Nourish and Comfort cream, and this is first I forgot to say this conditioner is $12. So this little lip and eye cream is worth $49. Holy moly. And I mean, this will last you a while because for your like eyes and lips, you don't really use that much product, but that is pretty pricey. So this is to just smooth, basically. It's an ultra rich. It provides smoothing treatment to delicate eye, balmy texture, provides eye bright, fennel and bilberry to revive, and aloe vera to heal, and it has frankincense to add a subtle fragrance and to treat dryness. You know what? I might keep this and try it out because I've been having a lot of issues with my eyes being extremely dry. It's just basically my age. But I've been looking for something really hydrating for underneath the eye. So let me see what this feels like and see. Oh, yeah, it is pretty thick. So I will definitely try this out underneath my eyes before my makeup and see if it works for me. And the smell is really, really subtle. It doesn't have something that's too strong, but it does. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. Look how moisturizing that is. Ooh, I was actually thinking of rebuying my Bobbi Brown one, but I think I might just see if that helps. Next thing in here is the Daily Concepts Daily Brush, and this is a detoxing massaging brush. This is what is used for dry brushing. People say that this is really good for detoxing your skin. It also helps with, a lot of people swear by dry brushing for cellulite. So we shall see if this is good or not. And it does have like little, kind of like little plasticky little bristles in there, those little white ones as well, to help with the massage. And it says to polish in circular motions to stimulate your circulation and to exfoliate the basically like the dead cells. And you could actually use this in the shower, so I will try this out in the shower and see if that is for me. Next thing in here is the Micellar Water by Verso Skincare. It's a calming skin care facial cleanser, and this is worth $6. And this little brush, wow, this little brush is $18, so that's pretty pricey. Next thing in here is the Hand and Body Replenisher. This is by Priori Skin Decoded, and this is worth $8. So really is supposed to give you all your skincare needs. It has antioxidants, and it is an intense body cream that helps reduce imperfections on your body, such as breakouts, stretch marks, pigmentation, and dry skin. So it's supposed to do like an all-in-one. I wonder what's in here. I don't know what's in here, but it has a treatment that helps exfoliate and moisturize at the same time for your body. And then next thing in here is by Coors, and this is a foaming cream cleanser. This has pre and probiotics for your skin. It is a yogurt Grek is what it says, or Greek yogurt. I'm reading the part that's like in Greek. So this is worth $4. It is a cream to foam and soap-free cleanser that helps gently, like for sensitive skin. So it's supposed to be soothing, cooling, and gives you a nourishing to your skin. So I am always about trying new cleansers. Every time I get one, it's just like I have a collection in my bathtub of how many cleansers I have. My husband's always like, which one do I use? I'm like, any of them. Okay, so next thing in here is the Orella Probiotic Skincare, another one. And this is a night moisturizer with neroli, lavender, rose, and mandarin. And this one this is $48. Holy crap, $48 for only 1 ounce. And it is a hydrating night cream, and it's supposed to have like all these plant and flower extracts to help balance your skin, especially for overstimulated skin from pollution and stress. So let's go ahead and pop this baby out and see what it looks like. Oh wow, that is strong smelling. It has like a really strong natural smell to it. And then, okay, last thing in here is this, which is the Juice Beauty Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. I really enjoy Juice Beauty. I just used up one of their products and I really enjoyed it. It had like a pump to it. It was like a nighttime serum-y kind of product, and I really enjoyed it. So they have really great skincare. And this, it doesn't have much of a smell. It's kind of a clay mask. It says that it helps protect against maskne. So basically people who are getting acne because of using masks. It has bamboo charcoal and kaolin, and basically helps smooth, hydrate, exfoliate, and has polyhydroxy acids for smoother, softer complexion. So I will definitely be using this, maybe target it towards my chin area. I don't know if you guys can see there, I have been getting some breakouts due to wearing the mask, and it just kind of happens because I do wear makeup to work, and then I'm also wearing a mask for 12 hours, so eventually my skin was going to have enough of it. But yeah, so for anyone who's having a little bit of issues of maskne, maybe you can get this little trial size one and test it out as well. So that is everything that came in the Look Fantastic beauty box for the month of March. Let me know what you guys think of this month's box. What did you like from it? What did you not? I'd love to hear from you down below. If you want to find me faster, I would definitely recommend finding me on Instagram. I do have my links down below if you guys want to follow me there. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.